played 4 games of 2020 cricket. Well, he hasn't had too much of a look, and he's hit his first ball for 6. Tickle down the leg side, go away for 40. It is a fast outfield. Through the offside, power shot. Pathan looks a player. Hurled away leg side. Fielder under this, can he get there? Yes! Terrific catch. Malik's a catcher. Mohamed Asif at a gentle medium fast gets his first wicket. Pathan looked as if he would be a danger. He's gone for 15, 25 for 1. Over the top. Will it go all the way? Kicks on. Second bounce, finds the boundary.
That's up in the air, should be taken, and is. India lose their second wicket. Uttapa's gone, caught Afridi. Uttapa's gone for 8, India 40 for 2. It's a crucial, could be trouble, non-striker's end. Think he's made it. 45 for 2, India.
Yeah, the stumps have been broken, but where's the ball? Doesn't appear to be in the hand that has broken the stumps. There's the ball, it's got away from him.
It's placed beautifully. Really nice shot from Gambhir. There's been a lot of slogs and big hits, but that's just touch. Down the pitch, hit hard, hit beautifully, hit for 4. Through extra cover, hit past extra cover. Another boundary for Gambhir. 69 for 2.
Afridi, this is his 4th delivery. That's smashed down the ground. Yuvraj, first boundary. He's on his way.
It's over the line for 6. It's timely and it's precious from India's point of view. 82 for 2.
Wow, that's gone. He's just sliced that through the gap. That brings up over 200 runs in this tournament for Gambhir. And that'll be 50. What a great start for India. 89 for 2. And that'll be 4. From the moment it leaves the bat, if it's hit with any pace and hits a gap, then it's 4.
Yes, he's carted this away on the onside.
Straight in the air. Umar Gul takes it. The danger man, Yuvraj Singh, on his way back, and Pakistan, they did need this wicket. It's 103 for 3.
Bowled him! Full length through Margul. Oh, the engine pumping there. He's on fire. Great timely wicket for Pakistan. Just holding this game. Just look at this. They mean business. MS Dhoni gone for 6. It's 111. Nelson for 4. Oh, that's better. That's better from India. That's better. Scoreboard. Full on. Well, cheeky, gone, good catch. Mohamed Asif, Umar Gul, top of the pile, leading wicket taker. It's Gambhir that's gone, just flicking down the leg side. Mohamed Asif, absolutely in the right position. A yard either side, it would have gone for 4. Gambhir, 75, it's 130 for 5. Full toss, swung away. Well, it's another welcome boundary. Think about fours, India. Full toss from Arafat, just angled away. Deft little shot down to third man. Yeah, think about boundaries. Slow delivery, he's got one. Fielder under it. Oh, he punches it over. Steadied himself, was there. Maximum. Tried for the Yorker, a quick delivery. Down the ground, they'll turn for two. The Fees comes in. Comfortably home for two. So what have they got? India batting first. 157 for 5. Captain MS Dhoni said 180 at the toss, looking for 180. They're way short of that, but it's a good total. Make no mistake, 2020 cricket, 157 is a good total.
And gone! What a catch! Aggressive captaincy. He's got a slip in place. He was standing about second slip, and that's a big breakthrough for India. Sreesanth, just like that, crunched through the offside. Oh, he's got hold of that. Goodbye ball. That's huge. Talking of short, Sreesanth bowling too short, and that one will escape the stretched out fingers of the fieldsman down at third man.
Fine leg comes up, square leg drops back.
Oh, that is a shot too. One bounce. Nazir, well, he's on fire here at Wanderers. It's now 24 for 1. And bowled him! Straight through him. RP Singh is bowling like he has right through the tournament in superb fashion. Helped on its way. He's batting nicely. Nazir, it's 31 for 2. Slashed away, and it will be 4.
Flicked away on the leg side. The timing's not good, but the outfield is quick. And that'll get away for 4. Just shows how good this outfield is. Short, slower ball, picked by Yunus Khan, whacked for 4. Could be tight with a hit, and has hit. That will test the fitness of Nazir. Always close with a direct hit. India think they've got their man.
He wasn't hearing for that run, Imran Nazir, and could possibly have been caught napping. The bat not grounding his shot. He's certainly shot, and well, India have earned themselves a huge bonus here. Imran Nazir was threatening to take this game away from them, and he's back in the hut. Out is the call.
Got a hand on extra cover, but it will do no good at all. Beautifully timed, 4 runs. Down the ground, he hasn't timed it, gone straight to mid-on. The change of bowling has worked, the loose shot from Yunus Khan. Would you believe it?
Pulled away, leg side, straight to the fielder. Easy as you like, bottom of the bat. India on a charge here, captain has gone. That could be a huge wicket. He's enjoying it, look at the boy. He's a star. Irfan Pathan might be a star as well. Pakistan 76 for 5. High. Oh, the converging on this, he's not got this, mid-off, catches it, Sreesanth, Irfan Pathan, left arm medium pace, Sreesanth, oh yeah, the Burma lads are in from Kimberley. India very much on the charge here, turning this game around. Pakistan in big trouble, wickets are falling. Oh, look who it is, it's Afridi, gone for none, 77 for 6. It's raced away fine, a little bit quicker. 63 miles an hour from Harbhajan. Batsman knew little about it, but it's gone for 4. Slow delivery. Gets it this time straight to the field. He's dropped it. Had it and dropped it. Hurt his hand in the process. End of the 15th.
That's a good strike. He looks to hit it straight and gets it away to the boundary. Bowled in. Pathan is straight. Afridi, Arafat misses. And Pakistan now in trouble, 7 down.
Once again keeping it nice and full. And Yasir Arafat missing the trick here. He tried to go across the line, paid the price. 104 for 7.
And he goes for the big one and clears it. You could see it coming. He lines himself up, gets 6. His mind's working like a computer. He's calculating the number of overs left and who's going to bowl it for India. Goes, clears mid-wicket, 6 more. 18 of the over, he puts the pressure right back into India's court. It's 123 for 7. Srishant brought back into the attack. It's in the air. And it's 6. That's a good strike. Pakistan targeting the shorter boundary. 6. And it's a big one. Sohail Tanvir has flicked that into the crowd. This is magnificent counter-attacking cricket from Pakistan. Bowling through the defence. The balance once again shifts. 20 needed from 12 and Pakistan had lost their 8th wicket.
I think he's done his job. Brilliant batting from Tanvir. Gone for 12, 138 for 8.
Bowling! Off stump goes for a toss. India 1 wicket away. Pakistan needs 17.
Terrific stuff from RP Singh. Umar Gul was struggling and he goes back after not doing anything with the bat. Gone for naught. 9 down, 141.
It's RP Singh. That's edged and 4. Useful boundary. 13 required from the last over. We've got a match on our hands with Misbah on strike. 145 for 9. In the air. This is 6. It's a magnificent strike. Lands just in front of the side screen. In the air, Srishant takes it. India win. Unbelievable scenes here at the Bull Ring. Jeff Lawson can't believe it. The Pakistan players stunned. And India would believe they've got out of a corner. Misbah doesn't want to leave the field. But what a match for a 2020 final. India, the world champions.